Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kamitech, and in the 10th class of Adobe Illustrator. My name is Kamran Eman. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of the most important and magical tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is anchor point tool. So guys, you will think that what is anchor point tool? So the anchor point tool is the subtool of pen tool. So the second thing that I wanted to tell you that is why we use this tool. So basically this tool allows the user to do the same work that you can do with the help of pen tool as well as with the help of direct selection tool very easily, fastly, quickly and accurately, because every person in this world or in this field wanted to do a lot of work in less time. In this way you can save your time. In this way you can save your time and you can do a lot of things in less time. So for example, what you can do with the help of this tool, if you wanted to create an arc, if you wanted to create a rounded shape, if you wanted to create curves, then you can use this tool for creation of these things. If you wanted to increase your speed of creating graphics, then you must learn this tool, because this tool will help you magically and you will be surprised after learning this tool, because when you will use this tool you will feel comfortable and you will be able to create arcs, rounded shapes and a lot of other things that you can do with the help of pen tool. But because the pen tool will take a lot of time while creating the same things, but with the help of this tool you can create all those same things very easily, quickly and in very little time. So that's why this is important to learn this tool, because if you know about pen tool and you can use the pen tool, exactly the same you can use the anchor point tool, but you must learn this tool first and then you should implement this tool in your daily work. So in this class we will learn this tool, we will explore this tool and we will understand the properties, and in this class we will learn the practical explanation of this tool. And after watching this video and some practice, you will be the expert of this tool. If you wanted to reach at its destination, then you must learn this tool and you have to practice, then you will be able to create graphics professionally and easily. So before coming on the screen, if you didn't subscribe my channel, must subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos and hit the bell icon. So let's come on the screen to know the practical explanation of this tool. So guys, now we have come on the screen and we are going to start learning of anchor point tool. The first thing that I wanted to tell you that is how you can select the anchor point tool. Simply go to the pen tool and right click here and click on anchor point tool, and its shortcut key is Shift plus C from your keyboard. When you will press Shift plus C from your keyboard, then your anchor point tool automatically select. So I have some shapes. I just wanted to tell you that how you can use this tool for the creation of different graphics, visuals, illustrations and a lot of other things. So first of all, I'll just tell you that how you can use this tool. So this is a simple square and I want to make this square into some circle type, and I wanted to change its sharp corner into smooth corners, because basically this tool is used to convert your sharp corners into smooth corners and smooth corners into sharp corners, or you can say that it's vice versa. So simply click on an anchor point and then drag your mouse like this. So guys, now you have seen that I have convert a sharp point into a smooth point. Now we are going to make this point into smooth one. So guys, now you have seen that I just click and drag my mouse, so it has changed sharp corner into smooth corner. So guys, now you can see that there is a sharp corner and we wanna to convert it into smooth one. So guys, I hope you have understand that what we can do with the help of this anchor point tool. And there is another thing that I wanted to tell you, that is in some other versions of Adobe Illustrator, its name is convert anchor point. So don't be confused in the name of anchor point tool. So guys, now we are going to convert this smooth anchor point into a short one. Simply select the anchor point tool and just single click on this tool. So guys, now you have seen that we have converted a smooth anchor point into a sharp one, and simply click on this and click on this. So guys, now you have seen that we have converted a smooth corner into sharp one and sharp corner into smooth one. And another thing that is also important, because this tool makes our work easy and comfortable and more faster than different other tools. So guys, the same thing we can do with the help of direct selection tool. For example, I selected direct selection tool and simply click on it and drag these anchor points. Then the corners will be converted into smooth ones with the same ratio. This is the way which you can use to create circles, but sometimes we don't need of circles with the same ratios. That's why we can use this tool. So guys, now we have come on another shape and we are going to start learning of anchor point tool and how we can use this tool to create some amazing thing. Just select the anchor point tool and simply click on this anchor point and then drag. So guys, now you can see that I have dragged, I have made an anchor point into smooth one, but now you will see that both of the handles working together and moving together and making a curve having two different sides. But we just want to create a curve with one side. Simply press Alt key from your keyboard and then drag this handle. So guys, now you have seen that I have just creating a curve by pressing one handle. Simply click here and then drag your mouse. So guys, now you can see that we have created a beautiful curve with the help of this tool. So guys, this is a beautiful shape like a wave of ocean, but its color is red. I just want to give it a gradient, and definitely we will talk on gradient tool, but still we are not in that stage because you are a beginner, and that's why I'll just give it a random color to make it look beautiful. So guys, now we have created a beautiful curve with a random color, and now we are going to learn that how we can convert a smooth anchor point into a sharp one. Simply click on it So guys, now you can see that I have a shape here. I just want to convert it into another shape with the help of anchor point tool. You have two options. When you will press shift key from your keyboard, it will create curves of same ratio like this. So guys, now you have seen that we have created a curve with the same ratio both sides. So guys, I just want to explain it more accurately, so let's come on the next file. So guys, we have come on the next document and we have a car here, and I want to trace this car. I have two options. I can simply use the pen tool to trace this car, and I have another thing that I can do with the help of anchor point tool. I can trace this car. So guys, here I will not use the pen tool because a pen tool will take too much time, but with the help of anchor point tool I can do this work instantly. So let's start. So guys, we have these sharp corners and I just want to give them smooth curve. Simply click on this anchor point and then drag this line outward. So guys, now you have seen that I have simply convert a straight line into smooth one. So guys, now you can see that it's an easy thing that you can do. So guys, now you are seeing that I am creating curves with the help of anchor point tool. We have a challenge now. If I create this one, then it will not create the exact curves. That's why I have to press shift key from my keyboard, then it will create the exact curves according to the tile requirement. So guys, now you have seen that we have traced our car instantly with the help of anchor point tool, and it will create the graphics, visuals or shapes with exact ratios. So guys, now I am going to create a straight line first and a vertical line, and after that I wanted to create a curve. For that I have joined these two anchor points and I dragged my mouse opposite of it. And if I do the same thing here, I press shift key from my keyboard, simply take the anchor point tool and you can adjust this line like this, and the circles you can create easily. So guys, you have seen that what a beautiful tracing we have done in our this video, and I hope you have understood all the points that I have explained here, and hope you will try your best to create better than these things, and you will use the anchor point tool to create some unique and excellent things. So guys, we have some options that I wanted to explain. Let's come on the point, that is, when you will select an anchor point, then you will see some properties of anchor point tool here on the menu bar, and from here you can select any of them and you can check out all these properties. Like if I click here, because this is the property of anchor point tool, with the help of this property you can convert a smooth anchor point or a smooth corner into the sharp one, like this and like this. So guys, you have seen that when I click on this, the anchor point converted into the sharp one, and when I clicked on this one, so guys, you have seen that the anchor point converted into the smooth one. As well as handles, you can see that both of the handles are selected, and one handle we can edit, and when we will click on it, then you can see that both of the handles will be editable, and then you can use both of the handles together. And after that, another point, that is anchor point, removing anchor point. With the help of this tool, when you will select an anchor point and when you will click on this removing anchor point tool, then it will delete the anchor point automatically. Exactly the same, all these properties you can check out, and when you will practice your work, then you have explore all these properties, and after that, when you will learn all these properties, then you will be able to create amazing graphics, visuals, illustrations and much more. So guys, this is the time to finish our class here, and very soon we will meet again with the next tool, and that's an amazing tool, and that's called as curvature tool. So guys, I'll put the link of this car in the description. You can download this car and you can practice your work, and you can learn a lot of things from this class. So guys, I hope you have learned a lot of things from my video, and I hope you will continue your learning process, and definitely you will reach at the destination very soon. Must practice all those things which I have taught to you today, and in the next video I'll explain the next tool. But if you have any question, if you have any queries, or if you wanted to learn anything about this tool, so mention in the comment section. I'll try my best to give you the answer of any question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and very soon we will meet again with the next tool of Adobe Illustrator. So take care of yourself and others. Have a nice day.